Need to replace the temperature sensor in your Traeger Pro Series 34? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. This is the RTD probe, the thin rod inside the barrel that tells the controller how hot your grill really is. When it drifts, your temps lie to you. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 25 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find the probe. But first, pull the plug and make sure the barrel is cool. Then, we can work. Open the grill door and look at the left wall, over by the hopper side. The RTD is the thin vertical rod standing off the wall on a small bracket. Give it a look while you're here. A probe caked in grease reads slow and low. Step 2. Unscrew the bracket. 2 screws hold the probe's bracket to the barrel wall. Back them out and keep them. The new probe mounts with the same hardware. With the screws out, lift the bracket free of the wall. Let the probe hang gently by its wires while you get ready to trace them back. Step 3. Swap the sensor. The probe's wires run through the barrel wall to the controller, inside the hopper. Open the hopper service panel, photograph the layout, unplug the old sensor, and draw it out through the wall. Now feed the new sensor along the same path and plug it in. A trick worth stealing. Tape the new plug to the old wire before you pull, and the old sensor threads the path for you. Step 4. Mount the new probe. Set the bracket back on the wall and drive both screws snug. Then check the rod stands clear. Not touching the wall, not bent, nothing resting against it. That air gap is what makes the reading honest. Now let's make sure it's working. Plug in, power on, and check the display before you light anything. A cold grill should read close to the outside air. Then turn the dial to smoke and let the fire build. The display climbs smoothly with the fire. No low temperature alarm after startup, and no wild jumps. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.